A very good evening and many thanks for joining us on LTN Property Show that comes every Saturday on Lolwe TV at 6:30 p.m. with me, Sharon Ongao. Now today we are at Cozy Gardens, and Cozy Gardens is found on Demi Road in Kilimani. And as always, we have Realty Boris here with us just to take us through this beautiful apartment. As the name suggests, it's cozy. Boris, welcome.
Cut. This is Realty Boris, and thank you so much, Sharon, for bringing me on board. And we're straight from Kilimani in Cozy Garden. Today showing a 4-bedroom house, 210 meters square, and 4 bedrooms, all suite plus an SQ. You have a kitchen there, that's a closed kitchen, separate dining, and a lot of things we can talk about in this particular project. Yes.
In fact, before we delve into this particular project,
yes,
just a reminder to our viewers, you can tell them where you normally, which properties you sell.
Yeah, I sell contemporary apartments, townhouses in Lavington, Kilimani, Kileleshwa. We're moving to Karen, my team is moving to Karen, Runda, Kitsuru. We're selling upmarket and the upper middle class also. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Boris. I think that was very important.
Thank you.
That at least somebody is watching
Yes.
can know where we are coming from.
Exactly. Yeah.
Now today we're in Kilimani.
Today we're in Kilimani, in this beautiful 4-bedroom. I don't know, would you want me to start with where we're sitting or?
Yes, no, I'd want us to start with the apartment first
Yes.
of all, because it's called Cozy Garden.
Cozy Garden, yeah.
So we have to even
Why
let
is
them
it cozy?
know why is it cozy, if it's an ongoing project,
Yes.
and so like.
Yeah, good question. It's an ongoing project. We're about to complete in December. Right now, we're doing the exteriors. And the reason why it's called cozy because the location is very cozy, very zen, very quiet. As you can feel, gives a different feel with other places. It's a place that's surrounded with trees, very refreshing, and that's why it's called cozy.
And I have to say that I'm cozy at it.
Exactly. Thank you so much. So it's a nice place. It's a nice place, and those who are buying this project are those who are trying to give themselves. They want to buy a place they can call home, because this place gives them a homely feel with the location, and you're off the road. There's no active public road and public vehicles passing by.
True.
Yes, that is a plus for this particular location. Yes.
And then now, how many bedrooms are here?
We have got 4 bedrooms, all en suite, very spacious 4 bedrooms, with a small bedroom that could be used with a baby or maybe somebody who is sickly, who needs a lot of attention. Yes.
So it's only 4 bedroom alone.
We have got 3 bedrooms, but the 3 bedrooms are all sold out. So we only have got 4 bedrooms on sale right now. So this is very, very good for our viewers who are watching. They can easily come on board and have a look at it. Yes.
Nice. So because we're in a showroom,
Yes.
let's just talk about this beautiful space.
Yes.
In fact, I love, when I look here, I think I'm in love with even the door on itself.
Oh yeah. So this one is a floor-to-ceiling window, very massive window, bring light to the lounge. The lounge is very spacious, and you can do 10 seats comfortably because that side is just empty or it's open. You see?
Yeah.
So the ceiling also is highly raised to allow a lot of air circulation in the lounge. I also like the detail on the gypsum in the ceiling.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's quite different.
Very, very beautiful, detailed, and it comes with this chandelier over here. Standard. All the units come with this chandelier.
Nice.
Yes. And then behind you, it's a beautiful space. You can do a portrait.
Yeah.
Look at that space. So for me, I like a lot of decors in the house. The walls, you decorate them. They look beautiful. They captivate. Yes, that is the lounge. There's nothing much about the lounge. Around let's say 50 meters square. Yes, very spacious.
And it comes with the TV space?
It comes with a TV space, and this is the biggest space in this house.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the biggest space in this house. The lounge is the biggest with all the units. The one following is the master bedroom.
So I was asking if the TV space comes with the interior decor.
No. That is just decorated, staged.
Okay.
But then again, it comes on a plain wall. So if you want to come with this decoration, it's something you can organize with the developers at your own cost now.
A good thing with the house tour when it comes to like this show house.
Yes.
A show house in a way.
Yes.
It gives the developer
Yes.
some ideas on how
Yes.
they can style their home after the purchase.
Yeah. In fact, the reason why most properties are staged is also to help buyers to visualize how they could have a feel of that property once they buy it.
Yeah.
So that is a problem most developers and most people who are selling. right? They don't stage their properties, so sometimes it's difficult to give an impression to buyers.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Moving on, let's head to the dining room, because I've realized that the dining set, unlike at the houses, this one has a separate dining space.
It's separate dining. I like it. It's very beautiful. I like the location. And then again, just beside the dining is a rack. You can put utensils over there. You know, you can put your dishes, your cups. I like that space. You only find that in this particular apartment. Many apartments around Kilimani, Lamu, Kileshwa don't have that provision. So for me, that is a plus, a tick to heaven. Yes.
So that maybe when you have visitors, you don't have to maneuver through the kitchen.
No. Just at your disposal. You can just go there, pick it, and put it on the table.
They outdid themselves.
Exactly, love that.
To the favorite place that I love the most, the kitchen. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, the kitchen. Yeah, the kitchen. This one is a very, very unique kitchen. Most of the projects coming up right now don't have a closed kitchen. This one has a closed kitchen. Closed kitchen. You know, most of the properties having closed kitchens are old apartments.
Yeah.
But right now, you find most of them are open because space is kind of limited.
Yeah.
So this one is closed, coming with all kitchen appliances, minus the fridge you're seeing there. And remember, it also comes with the water purifier, so you can even drink direct from the tap.
Oh, nice. There's no need of buying water.
No, you don't need that.
Cost effective.
Yes. Exactly. And also I like the lighting. You know, the kitchen is well lit. There's a big window there in the kitchen, bring light to the kitchen. And also direct access to the laundry. Also bring light to the kitchen again. Yes.
And then maybe what I love about that kitchen is the storages. I love kitchen with the storage spaces.
Yeah, there's a lot of storage space in the kitchen. But we don't have a pantry over there.
Yeah.
A lot of space for you to just store your stuff. But if you don't want to use the SQ, you can turn it into a pantry.
But someone can always walk around even with the
Exactly.
cupboards.
There's more space also in the laundry that you can also just build some storage spaces for you to put your maybe your cereals and everything.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's talk about the bedrooms.
So we have 4 bedrooms, all en suite. And the difference with the bedrooms and the other spaces is that the bedrooms have got a very nice wooden floor, beautiful grey that matches with the house as well. And now, good thing again. The 2 bedrooms that have got balconies, and the lounge also has got a balcony. So I've got 3 balconies in this particular unit. It's very rare. 3 balconies. The first balcony in the lounge, second balcony in the first bedroom, maybe the visitors, and the third balcony in the master bedroom.
Okay.
Yes, so the 3 bedrooms are kind of similar in terms of finishing, sizes. The one on the left and the right hand side facing each other, they're similar. So the other one that is next to the master bedroom is kind of small, but it could work for the baby or the kid, or maybe say somebody who is sickly can use it. Yes, the very big windows having nice views of the area, good lighting in the house. You know, there's also a closet over there.
And I think the closet that they have there is also a very unique one.
It's a unique
in a
one.
townhouse.
Yeah.
Because it's the
sliding one, not the one opening out, the sliding one. Also matching nicely with the theme of the house. It's a grey in color, grey and white. Yes.
And I think the sliding one is basic, and it's also nice because of the space.
Exactly. So it's also, it doesn't eat into the space. It doesn't eat into the space, and it also beautifies that particular space again. Yes.
And then all the rooms have they're all ensuite.
The rooms all en suite. I forgot to tell you something. We also have got a cloak room. So there are 4 washroom plus 1 that is 5. So we've got 5 washroom this particular unit. A lot. Enough for the people going to stay inside. Then again, the separate door that separates the bedrooms with the lounge side. So you can either remove it or remain with it. So next to the door again, we have a shoe rack location and also a provision for the souvenirs, beautifying the entry, the entry to the bedrooms. I also like the fact that that door separates the bedrooms with the other side of the house. Yes.
Maybe another thing we were forgetting. Thanks so much, Boris, for taking us through the bedrooms.
Yeah.
When you are entering the main door, there's some security features within this
Exactly.
So
Thank you. So this one is 16 door locking. It's locking 16 points locking door. We also have, you can use a card, you can use a code, just to access the house. Then again, it also has an alarm. And it also has got keys. So in case you misplace the card or the code, you can use the keys. And the good thing also, the alarm system over there can notify you in case somebody is trying to get into your house that you your knowledge. Yes.
Let's move on to the elephant in the room, the
Yes.
pricing.
The pricing right now is fairly priced. Is the lowest or is the least in terms of pricing in the market right now. This is the lowest priced 4-bedroom in the market, going for 3.5 currently. If you go around looking for 4 bedrooms, you won't find a 4-bedroom of this space. 210 going for 13.5, you won't find. This is the only in the market selling so highly. And right now, as I'm talking to you, I have only 3 remaining. So those who are watching,
They heard well, let's
you
talk
better
last.
just move so fast and close with me. Yes. Another good thing we didn't talk about is that the property, each and every block has got 2 units per floor.
Okay.
Yes, with 2 lifts.
So it's not crowded per se.
It's not crowded. It's very, very private. Yes.
And the amenities in this place, talk about the amenities within this location, meaning the social amenities and the amenities here.
Yeah, first we'll start with the social amenities around this particular project.
Okay.
First, we've got Adams Arcade, Valley Arcade behind us. It's a social place. You can just go, gym, relax, shopping and everything. Just next to you, we've got Junction Mall. This is got Yaya Center. So the property is centrally located, strategically proximal to all these social amenities. And then again, we just move down here, we've got Social House in Lavington.
Yeah.
So the property is well centered, well staged, and the location is also ideal for somebody who wants to meet all these places at the same time. Yes.
How about in here? What do they expect? Are there gyms,
Before we move
swimming
even
pools?
inside, we also have to talk about the schools, right?
Okay.
So you're very close to schools around here. You've got the Riara, Makini, you've got Bristol just behind us here, So it's also a good location. You've got kids, schools are just close to you here. Yes.
Just a reminder, in a property, they normally say you should stay in a property whereby there are shopping centers around schools,
Yes.
hospitals,
Yes.
you see?
Yes.
And also, I think it rotates under the three stuff, shopping
Yes.
center, hospitals, and
Yes.
schools.
So if you talk about hospital, there's an hospital down here. No, I just forget the name. It's for Nairobi Women's.
Oh, Nairobi Women.
Just
yeah,
down here.
in Hadam.
Gertrude's is down here along that road. So you're well placed. Hospitals just around close to you. Yes.
All right. So, what else is remaining, Boris?
We
Where
haven't
should an
talked about the
investor-
amenities.
The amenities in here.
Yeah, we have got swimming pool just next to here. We also have got gym. We have got borehole. We have got high-speed lifts, rooftop deck. We've got kids play area in between, a chilling lounge over here. You can just relax. Yes, that is the plus for this particular project. And as you can see, that you're only remaining with 3 units right now. It shows that it's a go-to property, and many people are invested and have bought these particular units. Yes.
It's high on demand.
High on demand, and in fact I think in the next one we could be sold out. We are moving down to Kasuku Center, Kileleshwa, our next project. All of them 4 bedrooms, 260 meters square, and we'll be starting asking price of 18 million. So if they're interested, if they miss here, we can move them down there. Yes.
Boris, you know what normally I wonder in this property show?
Yes.
People normally complain Corona has affected the economy
Yes.
and the so likes.
Yeah.
But again, properties are being sold in Kenya, like where we are.
Yeah.
I was amazed
Yeah.
when you told me that the 3-bedroom is also
All sold out. All sold out. Let me tell you something.
Where are we going wrong?
Let me tell you something. In terms of the economy won't affect everybody.
Okay.
There's some who plan to buy. So
Okay.
the ones who plan to buy, the ones who sell it.
So we have to be street smart.
Exactly, have to be street smart, and there's some people, who are just investors, and even if COVID hits, they're still making money. So the COVID thing, I think, had a lot of impact on the Mwananchi, but
Yeah.
those who are up there,
I think I
are
need
not
to take
affected.
notes somewhere.
Exactly.
I think I just
So
need
they're
to
doing
take
very
notes.
well. Yeah.
So as you're concluding the show, Boris,
Yes.
an investor might be watching,
Yes.
not an investor or even a buyer,
Yes.
who might be watching us right now, because this property show, by the way, it's so big, people
Yeah.
normally watch,
Yeah,
they
yeah.
reach out.
Yes.
So how would you advocate for someone? Why should somebody buy a property here?
Number one reason why, I just give you number one reason why you should buy this particular property is because it gives you the only homely feel that you won't find other projects.
Okay.
It's well placed, it's a cozy place, that's why you call it cozy garden. It's a place that you can live here. And remember, you're only 120 in the project. 120 is very minimal. Most projects give you 210 to 60, 300.
Yeah.
So this is a place that you can call a home.
Yeah.
Yes. So that's why they should buy here and they should invest in this particular property. Yes.
Thanks.
If I take it around right now,
Uh-huh.
you will see in the market that many projects don't have free balconies per unit.
Very true.
Don't have this kind of space, fairly priced, the feel that you get here, all amenities, location, That's why they should buy this particular property. Yes. I don't know what they're waiting for. They should start calling my number right now.
I was about to ask that, why are you not giving them your contact?
Yeah, my number is 0. Anybody who's watching us from abroad is +254 707 934097. That is +254 707 934097. And you can just find us on Facebook, Instagram, and all social media handles. Realty Body. Just search Realty Bodies. You'll see. First search, number 1 over there. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Realty.
Most welcome.
Indeed, the pleasure is all ours for taking us through this beautiful place.
Yeah.
And indeed, you normally take us through beautiful apartments.
Yes, and more
Thanks
to
a
come.
lot.
Exactly. Welcome.
Nice. And with that marks the end of today's show.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed the show as much as I did. As the name suggests, this is Cozy Gardens. And if you want a unit here, kindly reach out to Realty Boris. The number is below the screen, as you can see for now. Until next week, same time, same place. Keep it Lolwe TV. I'll see you again on our next property. My name is Sharon Ngao.
Bye-bye.